Hi guys, and welcome back to another video on the Detailing Detectives YouTube channel, and today we're reviewing a wheel cleaner from Wowo. So this wheel cleaner got sent to us from Wowo with a load of other things, some things that the prize winner won from the 1,000 subscribers competition. So yeah, this is one of the products that we got sent, and yeah, we thought we'd try it out. So this is a wheel cleaner. It says a powerful cleaner that helps break dust and all-round road grime. So let's see what the back of the bottle says, like we always do, so we know what we're using and how to use it, and then we'll go on to see if it works, how the instructions say. So this is a solvent-free wheel cleaner to help with the removal of all road-inflicted grime. Minimal effort with maximum effect, suitable for all wheel finishes. So yeah, that suggests that well, you don't really need a lot of effort to clean your wheels, which on cold days, that's probably what you want, because you don't want to be sort of like knelt down, getting in all your sort of like spokes, yeah, trying to make sure you haven't missed anything. So hopefully this will be a good wheel cleaner. So directions for use: generously cover the wheel using the trigger spray. Allow the product time to penetrate the grime, but do not allow the product to dry before rinsing. For an enhanced clean, agitate the wheel cleaner before rinsing with a enhanced clean, agitate the wheel cleaner before rinsing with a detailing brush. So that means that, well, from what that says, you can just spray the product on, leave it to sort of like get into all that dirt, and then pressure washer it off. And then if that doesn't get your dirt off, what you can do, you can agitate it with a detailing brush, which what you have to do with most wheel cleaners anyway. So what we're going to do, we're going to try both ways on this car. So both front wheels, because the front wheels are always the worst. So one side we're going to just spray it on, leave it like it says to penetrate the grime, and then we're going to rinse it off. And then the other side we're going to apply the product, leave it leave it to dwell on the car, and then we're going to agitate it with a detailing brush, see if there's any difference. The wheels aren't too dirty, but yeah, they do need cleaning. So let's go ahead and apply this, and then we'll see what the results are. Okay, so both wheels are about the same sort of like, well, around the same level of dirtiness. So yeah, on this wheel we're just going to spray the product on, leave it to sort of like get into all that grime. Not that there's that much, but yeah, then they're starting to turn grey instead of silver. And then we'll go around the other side once we've done this side, and then yeah, we'll apply the product and leave it to dwell, and then we'll agitate it with a brush, see if there's any difference. Hopefully the first sort of like application will work. So yeah, applying it on and just rinse off, because that makes it an easy product to use. So let's spray this on the wheel, and then we'll leave it and then rinse it off, see what happens. Okay, so let's rinse that off now. It's been on, yeah, nearly a minute, so let's see what the results are. Okay, them wheels are pretty much clean. Yeah, I'm quite impressed with that. I literally sprayed it on, and yeah, and then left it a bit, and then jet washed it off, and they're well. Hopefully this shows on camera. But yeah, they're back silver. You probably would need to go over them, but throughout winter, that's probably well, contactless wash. So yeah, that's pretty good. So let's go around to the other side now, and try spraying it on and then agitating with the detailing brush. See if they come any cleaner. Like most of the dirt, well, 95% of the dirt has come off with that wheel cleaner. We've just spraying it on and then rinsing it off. So yeah, I'm quite impressed. So let's go around to the other side. Okay, so the method with, well, on this wheel that I'm going to use, apply the product, leave it for about 30 seconds, and then get the detailing brush and agitate it, and then, yeah, we'll rinse it off. Okay, so you saw there this application where I sprayed it on and then left it and then agitated it with a brush. So yeah, did it work well? Yes, it did. Both sides of the wheels are, well, both wheels are really clean. The other side where you just spray it on and then leave it to dwell and then rinse it off, it did clean the alloys up well. Probably about 95% of the dirt has gone, but like I said, in winter when the days are cold and you just want like most of the, well, pretty much all the dirt off the car gone, this will be a good product because when it's cold, you don't want to be getting in there and spending ages on your wheels. So yeah, this really speeds up the wheel cleaning process. So did I like it? Yes, I did. And yeah, I'll be definitely using the rest of this bottle. Where can you get it from, I hear you ask? So if you go to wowo.co.uk, there's a load of products on there. They've got drying towels, they've got wash mitts, they've got, yeah, a full range. Go check it out. This is $8.99, which is really good for a wheel cleaner. For 500ml. They don't do 5 litres. I was reading the website earlier and someone said it's the best wheel cleaner that they've used, but yeah, they don't sell it in 5 litres. I know most of you out there probably don't buy your products in 5 litres, but yeah, some people do buy in bulk to save more money. The only downside to this product, when I sort of agitated it with the brush, it didn't foam up, or, well, it didn't really do anything to say that the product was still on the wheel. So that's the only downside. The smell, it's not the best, but yeah, it's a wheel cleaner. It's not an air freshener. But yeah, it's a good product. Go check the guys at Wowo out. And yeah, we'll be, well, we've got some more products from these guys to try out. So over the next sort of like few weeks or months, we'll be trying those out as well. Cheers for watching. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, because yeah, every week we're releasing a video, and also if you hit that notification bell, then when we release a new video, you'll get a notification as well. Cheers again, and cheers for the guys at Wowo for sending this out.
Alright folks, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to YouTube and add us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Ta-ra!